Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna make boho paintings. For that, we need some papers on which we will paint and masking tape, water, paint brushes and some paints. I'm using camel poster color here. You can use any color. By the way, ये 5 साल पुराना है. Now let's start the painting. First I will apply masking tape. Then I will start applying paint. कोई भी रैंडम पेंट लेना है आपको, बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि वो थोड़ा वार्म टोन का हो, क्योंकि बोहो पेंटिंग में वार्म टोन ही यूज़ किया जाता है. यहाँ पे मैं राउंड ब्रश यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जो कि बिल्कुल यूज़ नहीं करना. 1-2 स्ट्रोक्स के बाद मुझे समझ आ गया था कि मैं गलत ब्रश यूज़ कर रही हूँ, तो यहाँ पे फ्लैट ब्रश यूज़ करना है. एंड देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ flat brush, make curved strokes and repeat the process with different colors. You don't need to take tension about the strokes that is going right or wrong. Make it with free hands and you're good to go. Our first background is ready. Now take a thin paintbrush and black acrylic color to make leaves on it. So I'm making leaves here. At this time my hands were shivering. You can clearly see the zigzag line over there. This is happening because of my weakness. After taking rest, I started painting again. Here I'm making leaves. You can make any leaves which is convenient to you, but if you don't know, you can follow me as well. Here I am making the outline of leaf first, then I will fill it with colors and I will repeat the same from the upper side. Our first painting is ready. I'm gonna use the same masking tape in my next painting. इसीलिए मैं इसको इतने प्यार से निकाल के रख रही हूँ, क्योंकि वेस्ट क्यों करना है यार, जबकि आप दोबारा यूज़ कर सकते हो. तो with that our first painting is ready. Isn't it simple but beautiful? So moving to our next painting. Again I'm using flat brush. In this painting you have to take less paint and more water, and then make slanting strokes with different color however you want. You don't have to worry about the strokes. Make it with free hands, as I already told you in my first painting, because this art doesn't need any perfection. So you don't have to be perfect for making this art. Our background is ready. Now moving towards our next process. Here I am using markers for making the flowers and the leaf. I am directly making it with marker. If you want, you can draw it first with pencil, then use marker over it. You can make any flower whichever you want. It is totally dependent on you. After completing the outlines, fill the inner part with line. So you have to make the lines with free hand, as I am doing. Now enjoy the time lapse. Our second painting is also ready. This one turned out so pretty. Have a close look. Now moving towards our third painting. Here I am making circles with different colors. ब्रश में पेंट लेना है, उसको गोल गोल घुमा देना है तो सर्कल बन जाएगा. और अगर सर्कल नहीं बनता है अच्छा, तो पेंट ब्रश से खुद ही उसके साइड्स को अच्छे से कर लेना है, तो वो फिर अच्छा बन जाएगा. और ज़रूरी नहीं कि पूरा सर्कल अच्छे से आए, अगर वो थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं बनता है, मतलब उसके साइड्स अच्छे नहीं बनते तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, चलेगा उतना। बैकग्राउंड रेडी हो गया। नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप, जिसमें लीव्स बनाना है। तो अगेन आई एम यूजिंग ब्लैक एक्रेलिक कलर एंड थिन ब्रश टू मेक लीव्स। बस इसमें तो लीव्स और ज़्यादा इजी है, बस जिगजैग थोड़ा बहुत टेढ़े मेढ़े करके बना देना है। And yeah, our third painting is also ready. Isn't it easy? The process of making boho painting is really fun and therapeutic. So coming to our next and the last piece, this one is really easy. You just need to take paints and paint whatever shape you want. Use whatever color you want. मेरे तो सामने में जो हाथ में आ रहा था मैं वो यूज़ करते जा रही थी, जो शेप समझ में आ रहा था वो बनाते जा रही थी। And with this, our last painting is completed. With very less effort, how beautiful this turned out. This is how all the paintings turned out. These are looking so beautiful, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and comment down below which painting you like the most. Thank you for watching. Bye.